So this is a pound dollar analysis for Thursday, 6th of September. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices it was starting to develop here to the upside. We were looking to see our price react towards the 28.79. Instead we did see a breakdown before we got towards that 28.79. Broke below the 400 period moving average. Head price come down towards this 128. Didn't quite get down towards our 127.74. In around this 128, we did see the bullish buy side momentum come into the market. We did have this very large candle open to close. This candle is probably indicative of some news release of some kind, probably a speech or something, probably Brexit related. But we've seen this pretty large candle here. Definitely would say it's news related due to its size. Open to close range is pretty large. And what we did see was sharp acceleration and momentum here towards a level previously identified of interest, which was at 29.83. As we've had a perfect test of that 29.83, had a bit of rejection as can be seen by the wick, and we've seen further sell side momentum. So we had a spike off that news release all the way up towards that 29.83, perfect test, and we've seen a pullback take us all the way back down towards this 200 period moving average. Trade slight below it, but we weren't able to hold their support so far. So we'll see if we do continue to reject that 200 period moving average. If that is the case, we're looking for a move down towards that 28.79, successful break from which I suppose we should keep in the back of our mind the 400 period moving average. But ultimately, if we do break from 28.79, may just see a test of that previous low in around that 128. Beyond that, we're looking for a move down towards possibly that 127.74. Wouldn't anticipate price to move much beyond the 127.74. The very next horizontal level of notes is of course all the way down at 126.73, which I don't anticipate coming to focus now. There remains a possibility of us breaking back above the 200 period moving average or finding support in around 28.79. And if that is the case, and we do see pretty strong bullish buy side momentum, we are looking for a retest of our previous highs here in around 29.83, successful break from which we then look at price head towards that 130.03. And if we do see strong bullish buy side momentum continuation, looking for previous highs here in around that 130.37 here on the pound against the dollar. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. Get scale on to get correct. So on the pound against the dollar, and we can see we formed our lows around 26.73. We've had prices head to the upside, brief pullback, had continuation towards the 30.37, gap down the market. We've had that news event, as can be seen by this by the large range, the pretty sizable range of this daily candle here. Open the range is pretty large, all the way up towards that 29.83. Closed the day bullish, even though we did pull back quite a bit from our highs around 29.83. So we'll see if we do see that bullish buy momentum continue, or if we do see a continued breakdown here on the pound against dollar. Bearing in mind that the trend beforehand has been to the downside, and we weren't able to hold the higher price on the bullish move. Again, we'll see whether that 28.79 does hold. If it does fail, possibly may just see us retest our lows in around that 128 here on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.